Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. I promise this will be the last one of these shoots. I know it only comes out of the left speaker, but listen, I just finished OMNI Camp, 4.5 grueling days. I needed a night off. So I'll do one of these, shoots where I just show you my charts, and tomorrow night I'll come out in front of the camera and we'll look at some cool stuff. However, this video is coming to you on a Tuesday night for trading, Wednesday, September 16th, 2020. Remember that trading of any nature, I don't care if it's ETFs, stocks, you name it, futures, options, commodities, very, very risky. Huge volatility. Look at the size of these Nasdaq bars. Huge volatility in this game. You can lose more than you have in your trading accounts and owe your clearing firms a check if you're trading in futures and you don't have stops in. So please know that. Put your stops in first and know that trading futures is not for everybody. So stocks, futures, you name it, we trade all of that here, but futures can really get you. All right, traders, so the Tesla's on deck chart, if you will, the Nasdaq. For trading on Wednesday, 9/16, I say it's the only trade I want to go after. I want to be long Nasdaq. In fact, if you Omniacs who just left Omni Camp, if any of you have done your Nasdaq homework, you would recognize that you are long at just about the exact low of the trading this evening. And Nasdaq's up about 75 points from that low call in Omni. If you got yourselves in, or if you did the homework, you Omni campers, you wouldn't be trading yet, you're still doing homework, you'd recognize the Omni worked right off the bat when you went home. So guys, do your homework on the Nasdaq and take a look. For the rest of us, traders, we're going to be long Nasdaq if we can. If you didn't get in, maybe you will. Maybe we'll get a nice dip and you'll get your chance. We already had a dip, which got a lot of us in. And we expect Nasdaq to move high enough tonight or tomorrow for us to take a decent profit. And then I will get out of the trade and sidestep. But the Omni is starting to turn nice and bullish looking on the Nasdaq. It's not 100% full-blown green Omni, but it sure is very green, just not 100% green. So I like the Nasdaq trade, as scary as Nasdaq is. For you traders with smaller accounts, you might want to do the micro Nasdaq, because believe it or not, you put 4 or 5 of those on it. It's a big mover for you as well. For the rest of you guys, go for the Nasdaq, the NQZ 20 on my machine, and try to get yourselves long on a dip. Join my live trading room at www.livewithoscar.com. It is free, no credit cards required, no nonsense. Just come hang out with me in my live trading room and we'll get through these rough and tumble markets together. All right, traders, that's about it. Keep your emotions out of trading. In my opinion, one of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay, and boy, I know that's not easy, but moving stops when you're not supposed to, getting out too soon, getting in too soon, these things are emotions. They're emotional decisions. Try to keep those out. Put your orders in. Keep your hands off the keyboards. And say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.